It's Tuesday, February 8th. A little break in the weather, so I thought I'd shoot down, see if I could get a couple pictures. This is looking into the kitchen. Overhead lighting. All the wiring in place. Most of the construction today seems to be centered on rough plumbing. Air conditioning. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. On your way?
No, not at all.
I'm just taking a couple photos for the owner, if it's okay.
I don't mind.
Thank you. This is over towards what was the old entry when we left the way. Steps have been fabricated. Electricians are working in the basement, it appears. This is the steps down to the basement platform. The extensive wine cellar, I'm sure. Steps to upstairs now. Another platform here. I'm not going to go upstairs right now where that seems to be most of the activity. Maybe just up from this one platform. And I'll get out of their way. Pan work into the shower or hot tub or whatever it looks like is going to go in here. More rough plumbing into the other bathroom. Dual flush armoire position. Master bedroom. Fan will be on the floor. Only kidding, just to show where the wiring goes. Okay, hope all are well. Kind of nasty here and dreary, but not as cold as it has been. Next couple days it's supposed to drop off quite a bit. All right, hope all are well. See you soon. Bye.